How to convert BTC to USDT on Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget exchange, and over here on the home page you need to tap on the more option. After that, you will be landed on the more services page where you need to simply search for the convert option. Most probably in the popular section you will be able to find the 7th option of convert. Once you are able to find that, you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on the conversion page. Over here in the from section you need to select USDT, then in the to section you need to select USDT. After that, you need to simply enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert into USDT. After that, it will show you the preview and the equivalent amount of USDT that you will get. So instead of preview, you need to tap on the convert option and you will have only 10 seconds in order to complete this conversion. So you just have to simply convert your transaction and you will be able to get your USDT in your assets tab after converting from BTC. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.